Our primary goal is the safety of the community, so if we can, avoid them from having an accident that involves us, I mean, that's obviously the priority there. I think if you ask any firefighter, I know my thought for years has been the most unsafe place we work the majority of the time. Obviously there's anomalies, but is up on the interstate. We've had some firefighters around us that were significantly injured, hit by vehicles, attention of drivers and things like that is just totally out of control. We do about 26,000 runs this year. A good part of those are vehicle accidents, severe and minor, but even if it's a minor accident, firefighters are on foot, out in traffic, trying to get it cleaned up or cleared. So even if we don't have a significant amount of extrication where we're taking the car apart or we have seriously injured patients, firefighters are still out on the street in traffic trying to make it happen.
I've actually had the engine rear-ended before on an accident. We were on the side of the road, had traffic blocked, and we heard a big screech of tires and we got rear-ended. The driver said he was actually on his phone. He was probably doing 30 or 40 when he hit us.
The main thoroughfares around the city of Indianapolis, we cover those. Our primary goal is the safety of the community, so if we can, avoid them from having an accident that involves us, I mean, that's obviously the priority there. We do the best we can with blocking, and we put out cones and have signs and all those things, but we felt every little thing that we could do to, maybe be another layer of safety. So, we put safety cloud into the apparatus. Once they leave the station, our apparatus works through the cloud and transmits a signal. Automobile manufacturers and mapping apps and things like that will receive this signal, and then that would pop up to the drivers that are within a certain range to let them know that emergency workers are working somewhere up in front of them and that they need to slow down and move to one side or the other.
It takes the responders, gets their mind off of traffic a little bit more, knowing that there's an alert going through all the vehicles.
I'm Eric Bannister. I'm the Public Information Officer and a captain with Wayne Township Fire Department. My primary function is presenting to the public and to the fire department whatever information we need to increase safety, increase awareness. The position is one that is not just emergency response. A lot of it is things like we're doing here, getting information out to the public about what we do in the eyes of the community.
Benefit consumers, safety, families on the road, how will it benefit the fire department as well? It's kind of that avenue.
So we put a press release out in collaboration with the Safety Cloud group so that we could get the media to us for a media day, essentially. And what we did was we allowed them to talk to the professionals from Hawes Alert Safety Cloud and from the professionals at the fire department. We are trying to tell the public, especially here on the west side of Indianapolis, that you are going to start getting alerts. It's not a false flag. It is a legitimate alert, and slow down, move over, whatever that has to be. And I encourage anybody that doesn't have a good relationship with their media, or they're not sure how to get a relationship, is contact somebody in a news department and start that relationship, because it's the best way for me to get that information out to the public is through local trusted media.